Welcome to Useful Words. Hi, my name is Leroy Glover, and on this channel, we're going to explore useful words. In this video, we're going to share how to use our personalities like a tool. The way we speak to other people says a lot about who we are. There are a billion different personalities in the world, all with their own unique traits and attributes. But there is one universal truth. Each personality has their own strength and weakness, and the best way to make them shine is to play those strengths. What exactly are personalities? Personalities are the human mask that we put on for the world. We all have them, but what are their purpose? To some extent, it's to protect our true self, but they do more than that. Personalities are a way to tell people who we are, both in how we act and what we say. Personalities are a collection of characteristics, habits, and preferences that make up an individual. We often think that our personalities are set in stone, but they actually can be modified and changed to suit a certain situation or audience. Our personalities are an essential part of who we are and how we interact with the world. We all have a different way of presenting ourselves to others, and depending on the situation, it might be best to adjust our personalities accordingly. We all possess a certain type of personality. For instance, the gentle, the friendly, the nice, the professional, or the polished. There are many personality traits that people may not realize they have, but if they were aware of them, they could put them to good use in their everyday lives. Let's go over the most common types again. Gentle. They can help with encouraging others when they need it the most. Friendly. They have a knack for making people feel comfortable and at ease in any situation. And nice. They always seem happy and upbeat, no matter what. Why using your personality is important. Your personality matters more than you think, because first impressions is everything. Imagine two people walking into an interview room. One of them smiling, seeming friendly, while the other has a stern look on their face. Which one would you pick? A lot of people don't take this seriously. They just want to impress others with their skills and knowledge without considering how they come across to other people in the process. You might be surprised how much people care about your personality. It's not about the words that you use. It's about how you use them. We use our personalities in everything we do, which is why it's important to use our personality like a tool. We might not be able to change how we feel on the inside, but we can choose how we want to show those feelings outwardly with our personalities. It's important for us to understand what each word choice can do for us, and how it will affect our audience, and how it will affect our level of success. Utilizing the right personality traits to succeed in life and in business. There are many different personalities that can be used in the workplace, but not all are effective in every context. When it comes to using your personality as a tool, you need to know how they will be perceived by the people around you. For instance, the gentle personality is best for low-pressure situations where mistakes are not costly or embarrassing. The friendly personality is great for public relations and networking. The nice personality is best for customer service and sales positions where people need to feel comfortable approaching you for help. The professional personality is best for high-level meeting conferences, presentations, etc., where stakes are high and things often get sensitive, while the polished personality is best when presenting an image of competence and intelligence, which may require careful planning. There are many ways how we can use our personalities like a tool. On one hand, if we're feeling happy, then we can show that on our face and in our voice. We can show our happiness, personalities, as an icebreaker to get things started if we need to talk to someone. On the other hand, when we don't want to be the center of attention, then it's okay to use our supportive personalities. Just as quick as we use our friendly personalities and tell stories about ourselves in a lively way to keep others engaged, our personalities can be like a tool to use to communicate effectively with everyone. How you can use your personalities to become a better person. One of the best things that you can do to better yourself is to tap into your individual personalities. For example, if you're a professional but also need to be nice, then you can combine these traits by using your polite voice. We should not try to be someone we are not. Instead, we should embrace our strengths and weaknesses and find ways to bring them together in order to make ourselves better people. With our personalities, we don't have to be the same person all the time. Our behaviors, attitudes, mannerisms can be used as a tool. The best way to stand on this world is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, because everyone has their own unique skills that makes them special. You should use your personalities to make yourself better and change yourself to be a better person. Bottom line, no matter who you are more than just one personality. I'm Leroy Glover, and I thank you.